Hello and welcome back to my channel, Create with Lulu. Today I'm going to take you along with me. We're going to go thrifting and find some cute jars to paint with baking soda paint. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Here we go. So I'm just going to jump in the car and then I'll take you with me to the thrift store. So they had a bunch of different glassware. You can always find glassware when you're at the thrift store, and I like to keep my eyes out for like cute jugs and different things that make fun shapes. So I found this one which kind of had like a weird picture on it, but I didn't really care because I was just going to baking soda paint over it anyway. And yeah, I just kind of look around for different fun shaped things, or there's so many different things you can do with glass. I also sometime want to try like DIYing amber glass, but anyways, I just got these two cute little jug type things. And yeah, then we're gonna head home. So once I got home, I'll show you what I got. I also found some other things. The Goodwill that I went to, Target also gives their stuff to them when they like can't sell it anymore or it's old. So I found these really cute wooden houses that I'll probably do some DIY project on. And so I got two of those, and they're usually $5, but they're only two because they're at Goodwill. And then I love scrapbooking, so I got scrapbooking paper, and I'm hoping to use this in my bullet journal sometime. And it was so cute, and it was only $3, and it was usually like $7. So that was a great deal, and they had two of those, so I got both of them. And the paper is just so cute. I love it. And then I got the little jars that I showed you. So that is everything I got, and yeah, now let's jump into painting these jars. Okay, so first things first, before you can paint these, you gotta pull off the price tag. So I just went ahead and pulled the price tag off of both of them. The bigger jar was $3 and the smaller one was only $1. So that was a great deal. Then I just wanted to disinfect them, so I just grabbed some cleaner and I'm just going to clean them off with a paper towel real quick. So just one, to make sure that they're clean, and two, so that this paint will stick better to them. And then we're going to grab our supplies and the things you will need for this. So first, I just like to protect the space I'm going to be DIYing on with a brown paper bag, because it just makes the cleanup so much easier. So I just cut it and I just fold it out, and then grab your supplies. So I'll grab my two jars I'm painting, jar of water, a paper towel. I'll also grab a paper plate, some baking soda, and a measuring spoon. I think that's a ½ teaspoon. And then don't forget some paint and paintbrushes. So go ahead and pick your colors, and then I'm just going to pick like this like terracotta type color for the smaller one. And so I'm just going to squirt some of that out, and then we're gonna mix a ½ teaspoon of baking soda into that. You can kind of do whatever you want. That's just kind of the ratio that I like. I just eyeball it really. I don't really measure. But yeah, and I also added some brown paint to this just to make it a little bit darker. Then just go ahead and mix that all together. Okay, and now you can start to paint. It's really a simple and easy DIY. Anyone can do it, and it makes The jars look so fun and cute, and it totally upcycles them. So it's a super fun DIY, especially if your jar has a lot of texture. These ones don't really, they're just like fun shapes. But when a jar does have a lot of texture, the texture really comes through with the baking soda paint, and it turns out super cool. So yeah, I'm just going to paint these. I did do 3 coats on this one just because the paint was a little bit thinner. But as you'll see when I paint the other jar, the paint that I used was thicker, so I only needed to do 2 coats. Okay, and now I'm just going to do the exact same thing for this jar. I just grabbed my paint and I just squirted more out on this one because my jar was bigger and this paint was thicker, like I was saying earlier, and so I didn't add quite as much baking soda, and then I just mixed it all together and you can start painting. And this one was a lot thicker and like less see-through than the other one, and I love this color and how it turned out on the jar. It turned out so cute, and it totally covered the picture great, so you can't even tell. Okie dokie, while that one dries, I'm going to do my second coat on our little cute, like, I don't even know what this is, like a mug, teacup thing? I don't know. I'm gonna use it as a jar for a plant probably, or dried florals. Okay, now I'm setting aside this one to dry, and we're going to do our second coat on the other jar. And then I also decided to just paint with normal paint a little bit into the jar just in case you like see into it a little bit. So yeah, just doing 2 coats there and they're done. It was such a quick and easy project and they turned out so cute. I absolutely love them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any other video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and see you in my next video. Bye!